Yeah, okay. So maybe the earlier class explained you the registration script. So now we can go for one more flow. Uh, just this practice will help you. Okay. So just I will go for one more flow here. For suppose this is my demo application, JPet store application, and this is my URL. Then I will go for enter the store. Then I will sign in. So then just I will write some J2E, something like this is this is the default username and default password. Password is also J2E. Okay. So then I will log in. So then I will select any fish. Then I will select any product ID. Then any item ID. So then add to cart, proceed to checkout, then continue. So now this is my flow. Like this is the application flow now, the product booking scenario. So from sign in to sign out, we know like so whenever we are doing performance testing of any application, initially we need to check with uh, the flow of the application, like how maybe the user flow or business flows. So whatever maybe we need the flow of a particular application. So earlier we have done the registration flow, but now this flow will be related to the product booking scenario. So now let me design this scenario. Initially we know like we can go to file, then we can select the templates here, and from the templates we can select recording template, and from the recording template we can select create. Yeah, it is taking some time. Just until once we got this practice, like recording the application and like running the application, then we can go for some concepts like parameterization, correlation, everything. But right now, try to focus on recording the applications. So this is the template here, and we know initially I want to enable this script recorder. It is this one will record. Okay, this will record the application. Okay, so and then like in the thread group we are having recording controller, but we are not using recording controller in our I'm not using. So that depends upon depends upon you. But I'm not using recording controller. In place of recording controller, I'm using transition controller. And we know each transition controller will be like for one page. For one page, one transition controller. So like this, just copy this transition controller. Just copy this transition controller and paste it several times. Just paste, you can paste like we can paste like this. So because I need one transition controller for one page. I think 8 pages came from login to logout. So I'm pasting like 8 pages. Initially URL page. Initially URL page. So once URL is completed, see now then we can see the flow of the application parallelly once again. So this is the URL page, and once the URL page came here, then I will go for enter the store. So the second page is enter the store. So then let me copy this. Enter the store. So don't give any spaces. Right now I'm giving. So enter the store. So now this is the second page. So then what is the one more page will be sign in page. So then I will go for just sign in page here. this way, like you whatever the application, maybe it is a demo application, but whatever the applications, you want to see the application flow, and you want to see how many pages are coming in each and every flow. For one page you can keep one transaction controller. Then go for sign in. We can like just you can sign J2E, okay, then log in. So the sign in page is also completed. Now select any fish or dog. We are having five animals here, so we can select any one. So selecting, like you can say that select any animal. Select any animal. Okay. Then so once we are selecting animal, like we are getting some four product IDs here. So you can select any one product ID. So then one more page is coming. I think we can copy the similar name. Just we can change the names here. Initial we are selecting an animal. Uh, oh, okay. Or you can say it's not like animal, because like you can also say pet. Selecting any pet. Okay, there is no issue. So then uh, once we are selecting fish or something, some products are coming. So selecting select any product. Okay. So then once the products are coming, this page is coming. Now we should select any one item ID. Okay, so select any item. Then add to cart. So I want to write add to cart. So then proceed to checkout. So I can say proceed to checkout. So then I will continue. It's not like 8 pages. I think it's a 10 pages here. This flow is having 10 pages. Then confirm. So then we can go for sign out. Once confirm is completed, then we can say sign out. So these are the flows of the application, like from URL to sign out. How many pages came? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 12 pages came. For each and every page, we can keep one transaction controller. Then what is the settings here? In HTTP test script recorder, the settings will be initially, I want to go for target controller. In the target controller, I want to select URL page, because I should record URL page here. Then grouping. In the grouping, we can go for do not group samplers. So like the samplers will not group anything. If you are using any other option, like one more transaction controller will come. For suppose if you're keeping put each group in new transaction controller, one more transaction controller will come inside this transaction controller. That will not looks like proper way, because again one more transaction controller inside this, it is not looking proper. No need to add two transaction controllers, so we are not using that option. So basically this option will be put each group in a new transaction controller uh, will be apply when you are using recording controller, because in recording controller we are not adding any transaction controllers here. So when you are using recording controller, maybe that time this grouping will be sufficient. But now no need to use this grouping. We can go for do not group samplers. Then coming for suffix. Suffix means like the number will come initially. Prefix means the number will come after in the given name. Yeah, I will explain you. Okay. So then port number I given 480 here. Then coming for this, I want to browse. This I want to save this file. I want to save this file as something like product booking. So product booking JTL. So product booking dot JTL. So like this product booking dot JTL. Okay. So just I whatever I'm recording the flow of the application, the entire flow of the application will come here in the JTL file. Okay. And this file, this JTL file will is important to us while doing the correlations. Okay, whenever the script should run for multiple users, so then this recording JTL file will help us. Okay, for correlations. Then go for configure and keep all the tick marks here. Yeah, these are the settings in this tool. Okay, now if I think everything is completed, just we can record this application. Go to the Chrome, and we can go for settings. Okay, then proxy. Just open your computer proxy settings. Then in the proxy setting, use the proxy server. Turn on the proxy server. Just you can give either you can give localhost or HTTP colon forward slash localhost, or directly you can give localhost. There will be no issue. So just you can mention localhost and port number we are giving 480 here. Just save this file. Okay, save this configuration. So proxy is also turn on. Now you can see the JMeter. Uh, copy this URL. Copy this URL. See, now you can see like so as proxy is on, the application will not load. See, it will say that there is no internet. The browsers will not work whenever proxy is turned on. Okay, as we are using app from the Zoom app, na, like so maybe it may not affect the application. But if I will start any online classes through browser, then maybe that time our class will also turn off. Okay, whenever proxy was turned on. Okay, so now this will happen. Now what I will do, just I will go to JMeter and I will turn on, I will start. Just I will start. So then I can do the recording. So here I can say that I can open incognito mode because it's better like we can go for incognito mode. Then I will record the URL page. It is asking something like, yeah, no problem. We just go to advanced one. Yeah. Just go to proceed to JPET store. Just it is asking, there will be no issue. Yeah, so URL has opened. So now go to JMeter and go for other page. Enter the store. Initially do here, then record the application. Always come to JMeter and keep the target controller. Enter the store. Then go for go for the application and press the enter restore. So wait for some time until the page should open properly. Okay, so now this is also completed. Now one more page, sign in page. So now go for the JMeter and sign in page. So now just sign in page, write J2E, then login. So login happens here. Now come for again target controller and select any pet. So just I want to select any one pet, fish, dog, anything. So just I'm selecting a fish. Okay, so this page also open. Then I will select any product. So I will select any one product. So that page also completed. Just recording the page wise. That's it. That is the purpose of this tools. Any performance testing tool. Then select any item. So I can select any item. Okay. Similar way, load runner also similar way. It is also in load runner we should do some settings and there also we should record the application similar way. Then add to cart. So then we can go for add to cart. So this page also completed. Then proceed to checkout. So then proceed to checkout. Okay, then I can say that continue. So just I will go for continue. Then again in JMeter I will turn on confirm. I will go for confirm page. Here I will say confirm. Then I will go for sign out. Just I will do sign out. So see you can see thank you your order has been submitted. So then I will sign out. So my product booking scenario completed. Okay. So once it's completed, then you can go to JMeter and you can stop this particular okay, recording of the application. So now this way we can do. Once everything is completed, we can again you can turn off the just go to the proxy setting. You can also go from the starting. You can press right proxy. Okay. From here also you can do proxy turn on, turn off. Once recording is completed, you can turn off the proxy. No problem. Only while recording the application, we need these proxy settings. So once it's completed, you can turn off the proxy server. That's it. Okay, now see the page will open load properly once the proxy server is off. Okay, that's it. This is the flow of the application. Any queries until this? Like yeah, okay. You have no queries. No? Then once recording is completed, you can disable this particular non-test elements here. Maybe in interviews they may ask you what is the purpose of this and from where this HTTP test script recorder is there. Then if they're asking this question, you can say that go to test plan, add from here. You can go for non-test elements. In the non-test elements, we are having this HTTP test script recorder. Okay. So no need to say that yeah we can go for recording template from the recording template we like we are having this one element. This element we can also add manually by going to non-test elements here. Okay, we can also record. We can also add manually. If anyone is asking, you can say that. So where this element is present. Okay, in the test plan only. In the thread group, this element will not come. See, in thread group, these elements will not come. Only in the test plan level only this element will come. Okay. uh, now that is the purpose of this. Like everything's completed, then I said like once the recording is completed, you want to back up all the files. Just you want to back up this product booking.jtl file. Just go to JMeter bin folder. I think I have saved this file here, product booking.jtl file. Just I will copy. Just just I will copy and replace somewhere. I will let me copy here only. Just I will copy here only as a one more JTL file. Okay. So very important. Whenever we recorded any application, we want to back up all the files, JTL file, JMX file, everything. Now I will save this file. Just save test plan as. In the bin folder only, I'm saving this file as of now in the JMeter bin folder. Just jpet product booking. So product jpet product booking dot jmx file. Okay, just I'm saving the file here itself in the jmeter bin folder. So once recording is completed and once making all the backup files, then come for one by one and check. See, this is related to the server name is not related to jpet store. So my means like this is not related to our application. You can remove either you can right click and you can remove this particular request, or directly you can remove from here. So why I'm saying backupping all the files now, like for suppose if something happens for you, like we so we deleted this request, not unintentionally we deleted this. Then what we should do again? I want to record the application. Okay, it's very so that's the reason always we should do backup all the files. If any problem happens in the script, I can use the earlier script. Okay. Now I will let me delete this one also. This is not belongs to my application. Okay. But as I said, no, like I want to copy. Just I will make this product booking .jmx file also as a one more copy. Just I will copy this one. You can save anywhere. Just I'm saving in JMeter bin folder only as of now. But you can save it. You can save as a backup file. You can in anywhere. Now again, this request belongs to like some other. Okay, not belongs to jpet store. Let me remove this one also. Now enter the store. This is okay. Yeah, what happened? See, something happens here. Enter the store came in the last. I don't know what happened suddenly. Okay, but this may happen here. Whenever anything happens, these backup files will help us. Okay, so try to do backup files. Now enter the store. Yeah, this is okay. This is my server name and SVG files. This is a image file here. SVG files. I think you can disable this. Okay, I will explain you. Now this one is sign in. This is a like as I explained in earlier class. This will be the dynamic value. We should do correlations. Okay, I will explain you how to do correlations. Everything. Okay, as of now, leave it. Now this is not belongs to my application. Okay, let me remove this. Directly I will use this scissor. But I can directly I can cut this particular request here. See, it is also not belongs to my application. It will take some time initially. From the script, once we recorded the script, removing all the unnecessary requests will take some time initially. Yeah, Google APIs. So I can remove this. Yeah, this is also not belongs to JPEG store application. Yeah, I think so. Everything is completed. Just the script is completed. We can replay once. But before replaying, clear cookies. Each iteration, cookie manager. You want to clear the cookies every time. Then cache manager. So config elements and cache manager. So this cache manager, just simply drag and drop. Just you can simply drag and drop. And every time I want to clear the cache, okay, okay, this cache and cookies every time they should clear. I will explain you more on this. What is cache and what is cookie? Maybe in developer tool explain you what is cache. Yeah, this may questions may also come. What is cache? What is cookie? Okay, but right now I will explain you. Now this is the scenario. Let me replay this. Just I can run this green color start button. If I will run this, it will run. Yeah, it is running, but it's not running proper. It's running, but I'm not sure which request belongs to which transaction controller. I'm also get confused here. So then what we can do for debugging purpose, I can keep this generate parent sample tick mark here. So then let me show you this. I will keep tick mark in generate parent sample tick mark everywhere. Okay. So then let me run once again. So let me run once again. See now how it is running, page wise it is coming. And now it is looking very proper way and I can able to know which request will come under which page. I can easily say. And check then you can check here the response data. And how can I know this response data is proper? I want to compare either from, okay, I should compare either from the recording JTL file or from the developer tool. I want to compare. So whether my response, my reply, this is called reply. This is called recording. So I'm recording this particular flow and I can replay several times here. Okay, I can use this script with multiple users. Okay, not only with one user, I can use this for multiple users. But before running for multiple users, I want to check whether this flow for this flow is working properly with one user. So how can I check? How can I validate? So I can check from the developer tool response or from the JTL for suppose two. I will check here. I will go to response here. I will compare. Yeah, I think everything is similar way. It is looking similar way. Okay. Or one more way will be we can go for this drop down box and HTML view. So whenever you will press HTML view, then you can see, yeah, this page is coming. That is the page which we have seen in our application. So similar way we are recording this. Then yeah, sign in page also came, and after sign in page, it will ask you enter the username password. I think it's completed. See, uh, as sign out came na. See in this particular page sign out came. As the sign in page came, my reply got success. Sign in got success here. Okay, I will show you. Then again, this is also like product booking. I'm selecting any fish, then selecting any product, selecting any item, uh, then selecting any selecting any item ID, then add to cart, proceed to checkout. Everything is coming. Okay, okay. Here we can say we can select Visa, Mastercard. Okay, from the response. Now, so from where the sign in is happening here, from this request sign in is happening. See, from this 22 request sign in happens here. Just I'm giving some dummy username J2EE. Uh, this username is not register. This username is not register. So let me check this username. I'm running with this user ID. Just I'm running with this user ID. Now you can see everything is coming like red, green color. By checking green color, we will think, yeah, our application is recording properly, okay, and our application is replying properly. So, but don't see the green color. Check the response properly. See the response inside. Sign in, this is okay. But see here, it is showing invalid username and password. Sign in failed. But the green color is, it is coming like green color. But and also response code is also 200. But when I will check the response, na, like it is coming like invalid username or password. Sign in got failed. So everything. See the pages are coming. The fish page came, but sign in is not happened here. Sign in is not happened. And here also this page came. Sign in not happens here. So without signing, you are selecting all the fishes. Okay. Then everything. But at last, in the confirm, it will fail here. Why? Because we are the sign in not happened here. Because of this, the confirm failed. So 500 some error. Maybe in some applications they will say that sign in not happened, so we are unable to book your product. So something may come. But maybe in this application, if sign in not happens here, some internal server error it will show. So this is the this is the flow of the application. And whenever we are replying with wrong username, the script will fail. So that's the reason whenever you're checking with any developer or any like from your team, mainly from DB team, they should give proper username and proper password. Means valid username and valid password. Who is having sign-in credentials? So the sign-in credentials should be there. So if they're asking to run with like for suppose 10 concurrency. So if they're asking to run with 10 concurrency, then they want to give us at least 10 user IDs. Okay, then only I can able to run the script with the 10 user IDs. Parameterization, I think I will explain you after this class. I will explain you the parameterization. By doing parameterization only, we can run the script for multiple users. Okay, let me. Yeah, any other queries?